think the Peter Drucker Forum is the premier management conference in the world. I have come many times over the last few years, and I'm so excited to be back after the pandemic. There are not a lot of management conferences, and this one I think really stands head and shoulders above the rest. The people here, the community, the ideas that are being discussed are really important, and it's just a lovely group of people to get together with and get to meet and to talk to about the future of management. It's also the charm of Vienna. Vienna is a beautiful and wonderful city, and it's just so special to be here. And something about being here seems to really unlock people's creativity and imagination and inspiration. And I think that we all leave feeling a little bit more inspired to go back to our jobs and try to manage more thoughtfully.
I think what we must be is aware that we can tip the balance one way or another.
But what they've forgotten about is in some sense the real root of the problem and the third component, and that is your social health.
There is a clear need for a new holistic management framework to guide organizations in their transformation.
You have conversations, sessions, debates, presentations, and really what you have is ideas. Invisible ideas that float around and cram in and pass from person to person. And it's a very interesting, unusual mix. And those of us that come are devotees.
A fixed highlight of every Drucker Forum is a special gala dinner. The Peter Drucker Challenge is also traditionally part of the Drucker Forum. This is an essay competition that has been taking place since 2010 and is aimed at students, young managers, and young entrepreneurs.
I think the intent of the Drucker Forum is to step back and see a much bigger picture of what is the role of business and of management in society, and how do we think about that with respect to the future of humanity. So it's a much bigger lens, a bigger perspective, and that forces us to confront the things that businesses do and that management does that are not in support of creating a healthy and sustainable future. And so the conversations, I think, are meant to be deliberately provocative and thoughtful.